Nukkleus Inc. is gaining significant attention following its proposed acquisition of Tiltan Software, a move that marks a major strategic pivot into the defense AI sector. Tiltan is known for its expertise in simulation, training, and defense related AI applications, which positions Nucleus to tap into the rapidly growing market for defense technology, particularly as global demand for advanced AI solutions in aerospace and security continues to rise. The community is actively debating the broader implications of this acquisition. On one hand, bulls see this as a transformational shift that could elevate Nucleus from a niche fintech player into a competitive force within the defense industry, especially in Europe, where defense budgets are expanding. Comparisons are being drawn to other companies that surged after repositioning themselves in the defense and aerospace space. On the trading side, momentum traders are watching the stock's low float and recent surge in volume, noting that these factors often create conditions ripe for heightened volatility and potential short squeezes. Many are zeroing in on the $7 resistance level as a key breakout point, suggesting that a push above could trigger further upside. However, some community members are urging caution. Concerns about potential dilution to fund growth and the uncertainty around how quickly the acquisition will translate into tangible revenues remain at the forefront of the bear case. The long term prospects depend heavily on how effectively Nucleus can integrate Tilton's defense AI capabilities and secure contracts within the sector. Overall, sentiment leans bullish as traders speculate on both the short term technical setup and the long term strategic opportunity, with the acquisition narrative driving renewed excitement around the stock.
Okay, so the stock is up 25%. This is Tuesday, the 2nd of September, 2025. Okay, underlying trend is still, I can maybe just neutral. And extrapolation is saying that there might be a slight decline from the Friday, the 5th of September. No guarantee that that will be the case. And maybe after that, we might um, get the contraction may continue with a slight bias to the upside. I think all in all, it's just sideways movement. Um, Projections we have 5.35, 6.13, 6.61 currently prevailing. As of the 26th, 26 was Tuesday last week. We had 11.15. So intraday high 11.15. So it is also an upper projection. That will be some days ago. Yeah, 11. That will be some. Uh, let's see. That would be that. Yeah, that would this particular. As a matter of fact, it spiked on that day. Yeah. That day there are no projections, but on think or swim we can clearly see that it is. We can clearly see it here printed 11.15. Let's see what we have here. Okay, even higher prices as of September 34.53. Sorry, as of April 34.53, 44.3, 50.34. Yeah, closer prices 21.9, 26.04, 28.60. They're not that close, Yeah, still have, yeah, there's ample room to the upside for the stock. Let's see what the price pressure momentums are saying. They're still in trend modes. The 10 and 21 day moving averages are still in trend mode, but the derivatives are negative, indicating that the stock is not likely to hold up its strength above its position above those moving averages. It's not, doesn't The probability of it doing so is not very high. Those moving averages are at 4.47 and 4.49, 4.59, indicating that this gain of 26% is still not enough. Still not enough. It could to just to ensure its out of the woods. Still not enough. Okay, we can just quickly glance at the 4 hour chart to see what's going on there. Here, the 4 hour chart strength is expected to remain in place up till tomorrow. Tomorrow's pre market session. After that, some contraction may ensue thereafter up till the 10th of September. No guarantee that that will be the case. Projections are saying, yeah, okay, even this sort of validating 11 point this this intraday high 11.15. So as of now, it's saying 9.14, 11.44, 14.43, 16.27 price pressure momentums. Let's see what we have down here. Yeah, everything is strongly bullish apart from a very seriously negative first derivative. Just indication that maybe it's not, yeah, that strength is not going to continue to print, even with the robust derivatives all around. And yeah, okay, let's see now. Let's see if we can estimate the probability of it retesting some of these projections. I don't think we can. The problem is if we can find some data to validate it. Let's see the daily chart. Okay, I think we may be able to do that. 11.15. That's really ambitious. Let's see. Yeah, we'll use it anyway. Here, let's try this 7.1. It's okay. No, it will try. We get 11.15, and there's no harm in doing so. I think here we can. If we try it here, it's not going. It's just going to tell us something. We definitely. It's going to say we don't have enough. We don't have, the probability is not up to 50% that it will happen. But if you check it, this is checking it against fresh data, against the moving average of it, against the prevailing moving average at the time, which is obviously it's going to give you, yes, it's going to give you a probability that is less. But if you look at it based on previous data, then it gives you a different picture as well. So if you want to find something, I guess you might be able to find it. But if you don't want to find it, you don't you look at it based on what has happened. Just trying to validate it with its own moving average. It will always be, since it's an intraday high, you will always get a probability that is less than 50%. Which is, if you like, if the fact it is a fact, yeah. But at the same time, there's also other data here. Looking outside the box. This is what we're trying to do here. 11.11, 11.11, 11.15. Let's see here. 11.15 and 11.17. I got it there. Okay, so we have okay, this is where the moving averages are. So if it's less than 11.15, if the moving average, we're considering the first moving average, which is the 10-day moving average. If it's less than 11.15, then we have a probability that is less than 50%. Okay, yes, we have, it's less than 50%. Try again. Less than 50%. Two data points so far. Yeah, okay, we have one greater than 50%. Yeah, greater than 50%. Two out of four greater. Yeah, okay, three out of four greater. Yeah, that was three out of five greater. Then we have four out of six greater. Yeah, and then five out of seven. I think, yeah, that's probability is there. Looking outside of the box, we can see that the probability of 11.17 reprinting again is there. Yeah, so have a look and see what you make of NUKK. I will continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.